we can do is download any gene list we want into this. So here's how you do that. Here on this side, once you're in, you're going to get this kind of window here. You've got quick view, curated studies, and I'll go through some of these. These are really cool. I especially like the body atlas. So not only can you use this for studies, but you can use it for genes, and I'm going to show you how we do that. So let me download my data. So I go to import my data. There's a button here. Come on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download the data set that we analyzed at the very beginning. Remember the stem cell data set? So as our big question was, we did a two-way ANOVA. We found out what was different between all the genes that changed due to differentiation state and were different between pluripotent versus the embryonic stem cells, ES cells. Okay, I have that list saved somewhere. I'm just going to go stem cells. This is RNA expression is what we analyzed. I think it was from mouse, wasn't it? Yeah, it was from mouse. You can choose the file. I should have it here. 2A ANOVA, top 1,000. Okay, now it has recognized that. Next step, what do you think the next step is going to be based on all the software we've been using? What's it going to ask? You may know. What do we do in IPA? Like once you download it, what's the first thing it asks you? Because remember, this is a text file. Sorta. But yeah, it's the same kind of thing. It's going to ask you, where's your p-value? Where's your fold change? Where's the gene identifier? And that's pretty much given, and then honestly, when you look at this, it's pretty, most of the programs you're going to use are going to ask the same thing. So once you learn kind of how to do this on one program, it's pretty similar on most others. So here are all our different columns. Remember, it's basically an Excel file. So what I'm going to do is, when you put custom, you kind of get rid of all the other markers here. What I want to do is go to my probe set. This is my gene symbol. I'm going to use this as my gene probe set ID. So these are all the different columns in my Excel spreadsheet that I downloaded. I'm going to take this, make everything custom except I want, where's my p-value? P-value, day and time together, that's my p-value. And now I got to find fold change, and I think we've been using the fold change of, I think it was IPS versus ES. Wait a minute. Is it at day 0? I'm trying to remember. There it is. IPS cells versus ES cells. Okay. I'm going to hit next. Upload files. If you want to include some of the files in this import, please unmark the text. So the only ones that it was not able to recognize were 116 of them, which are probably uncharacterized genes, which is fine. I put in 1,000. Remember, this was our top 1,000. So I'm okay with that. Include an import, and then next step, you can enter tags, and this is where basically this allows you to search your databases later or your gene list later. So this was stem cells, so I can put stem cells in here. It would put pluripotent, and what you'll notice is there are already defined categories. Pluripotent stem cells, stuff like that. And I can hit finish. Okay, it's being analyzed. I already did this before, actually, like 45 minutes before you guys got here. So now we have a gene list into our studies, and it's under stem cells, and this is getting processed here. So I did the same thing with this same gene list. Here it is. So you can